What's poppin' to all my people out there? You live with Criminal P. What's cracking? Yeah. Shout out to everybody on TikTok. Shout out to all you guys. You live with Criminal P. If y'all tuning in, what's up? What's up? Respect. Ain't nothing but love, respect to everybody. You know what I'm saying? You live with Criminal P. Southside Music Productions and American Dream. Let's talk about it. And we live, baby. So to everybody that's tuning in, you know what I'm saying? I want to show the love, support to all the fans, to all the people, even people out there that don't like me. And I got something to say. I really don't care. But we here live. You live with Criminal P. Southside Music Productions 2026. April 25th, 2026. New album on the way, American Dream. It's gonna be a big time album. So salute to everyone out there. Salute to all my fans, all my real ones out there that's tuning in. You live with Southside Music Productions, Criminal P. You know what I'm saying? It's a blessing to be here. We live. So, where's all my people at? Shout out to everyone out there that's doing their thing. If you're tuning in live with Criminal P, Southside Music Productions, American Dream, play y'all a few tracks. Before we end this live, I'm gonna be on here for a little bit, so I'm proud about this album. Gonna be over 18 raw tracks, so make sure you guys check it out. It's gonna be premiering on my YouTube page April 25th, 2026. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing but love, respect to everyone out there. Shout out to all you guys. Shout out to everybody that's tuning in. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the like, thank you for the support. Much respect to you. Shout out. I'm doing good. How you doing? Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Come on, let's keep the lights going up. Let's keep the people tuning in. You know what I mean? Shout out to all you guys watching. Everybody that's tuning in, you know what I'm saying? You live with Criminal P. It's been over a decade since I've even been going live with you guys. But we live, baby. We here today. I'm glad to still be here. New soundtrack off the new album American Dream on the come up. American Dream. So shout out to everybody tuning in. You live, we live, baby, we live. Shout out to everybody out there. You know what? Soldados, all the people out there, keep it real, keep it, you know what I'm saying? Don't keep it fake, be real with you. So, much up respect to everybody out there, you know what I'm saying? Everybody that's tuning in, let's keep the lights going up. Let me know your city, your state, where you're tuning in from. I'm coming back with the come up. I'm coming back with the come up. I'm coming back with the come up. This is my American Dream. I'm coming back with the come up. Yeah, Criminal P, Southside Music 2026 on me. American Dream. Coming back with the come up. West Side and that fucking ass on it. Don't ever forget it. Yeah, we just getting into it right now. So we're gonna get this popping for a little bit. Then we're gonna end it. But I just want to come through, share this with you guys. New album, American Dream. Play y'all a few tracks that got coming out, you know what I mean? So, a few tracks that I did, and I'm glad to share with you guys. So, hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all enjoying yourselves. You know what I mean? If y'all got any questions, ask me in the comments or DM me, and I'll be willing to answer anything. Much love, respect to everybody out there. Shout out to all you guys. All over television, all over news. Some people shoot each other, and people start riots, and people
people doing crazy things and never understand why. This world is the way that it is. It just makes me sick to my fucking stomach. You people need to stop and give it up already. Never understand.
Yup, what's cracking?
Need to blow that shit down. Knock it the fuck down. Who the hell voted for fucking Trump anyways? Never understand why I got one war that can't lead the poor. This is damn shame. Y'all fucking this world up than it was before. Y'all making things worse than it was. And I can tell you this, these are just one there everything before they get better. What you know about that? Cause you just don't never know nothing about it. Y'all think that y'all know, but y'all just don't understand.
American Dream 2026, April 25th of 2026. Coming soon. So what's cracking to everybody out there? How's everybody's night or day, wherever you're from? How's it going? Live with the homie Corona P, Southside Music Productions, West Side of Mine. Shout out to all you guys out there. Shout out to you. Shout out to you too. Much love, respect to you. Appreciate you.
I stand up for America. I stand up in my rights. Everybody got rights. Everybody got something to say.
What's poppin'? You live with Corona P. What's your city? What's your state? Where you from?
Hey, where you from?
Yeah. Make sure you check out the new album, American Dream, coming April 25th of 2026.
And they wanna push you all over the internet and shit, make you look like someone that you're not, cause it's not the person that you really are. You thank the motherfucking Lord for that, cause I can tell you this, he's gonna change everything. He's looking down all of y'all and see the things that you're doing to these people. And I'm gonna tell you this, y'all gotta have an answer to him. Don't you understand that things that you're doing?
I wanna know where everybody's tuning in from. Much love, respect to everybody out there that's tuning in. Everybody already knows, you know what I'm saying? Got a lot of new exclusive music on the way besides this album, An American Dream. Y'all ain't ready for it yet. I ain't even gonna give out. I don't want to give out too much information, but I got something for all the ladies out there coming soon too. And make sure you guys check it out. New Oldest album also coming soon. New Summertime's album. Got some music coming for the summer of 2026. Always cracking to all the people out there. Shout out to everybody out there. It's love, respect. You know what I'm saying? I want to appreciate everyone that's tuning in, that's showing the love, showing the support, you know what I'm saying? We live with Criminal P, Southside Music Productions, you live, and you know what I'm saying? I want to thank everyone that's tuning in, showing the love around the world, no matter where you're from. It's love, respect from me to you, you know what I'm saying? We live with Criminal P, and I stand up for America, homie. Shout out to everybody. Live with Criminal P, baby.
What is your love? What is your love?
Yeah, American Dream. New album on the way, coming April 25th of 2026. What is your love? New soundtrack off the album for all the ladies out there.
What is your love? What is your love?
Yeah.
No matter what, I can tell you what my love is from the bottom of my heart. I really want to be the real woman. No fake escape. That's from use me. Already.
Shout out to everybody out there. You tuned in live with Criminal P. What's cracking?
Right from the side. She's gonna go through the peaks. Whatever I'm gonna do, we'll go through each other.
What's cracking to all my people out there? You tuned in live with your homework Criminal P. Southside Music Productions on this Monday night or day, whatever, wherever you're from, what city, country, whatever y'all tuning in from. Support, love, respect from the homeboy Criminal P. That's all I gotta say, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing but love, respect, and I'm glad to sit here and share this new album with you guys. American Dream. Play y'all a few songs, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna end it. But you like Criminal P, if you're tuning in for the first time, make sure you guys check out all the new music coming soon. What's cracking, what's popping to all my people out there. From the bottom of my heart, thank all you guys tuning in, love you guys. Support. What is your love? New soundtrack off the album American Dream. Coming soon. You live crew with the P West Side. Shout out to everybody out there. That's how we doing it, baby.
What is your love? What is your love?
Live crew with the P.
What you love? I remember I had a dream that I was gonna meet you one day. I remember that first day when I first saw you, and I saw that little smile, just put the smile around my face.
That's right, new album for the ladies coming soon. In case you guys didn't know, as you guys know, I've done Gangsta Love. I recently did Gangsta Love Volume 12, right? I recently did Gangsta Love Matters Volume 7. And right now, I'm going to be doing Volume 8, but on top of that, I'm going to be doing the Love album. You know what I'm saying? Gangsta Love Returns. You know, I'm going to be doing something different for you guys. Something I've never done before. So, for everybody out there, you know what I'm saying? Hope everybody out there, you know, enjoys it, you know what I mean? For all the ladies out there, love, respect, you know what I'm saying? So it's all about. Shout out to everybody. Appreciate everyone out there tuning in. What's up? Respect to all you guys. Straight up. You tuning in live with Crew of the P. What's cracking to everybody out there?
That's right. You already know. What's your love?
What's your love?
Let all the women out there know.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the
You heard it. Live with Crew of the P, homie.
All that your boy Crew of the P. Shout music.
West Side.
I'm having a dream. Sitting back and I'm relaxing. Wondering when am I gonna do my life? And I gotta really figure it out. But I can tell you this, I'm never gonna stop. I'll ever give up. I gotta do what I gotta do. Stay true, like I know I have no. People wanna see me fall, and they wanna see me struggle. Exactly what I want in their minds is what they think about you. They don't really like you. See, they're talking about you all over the internet. And so worried about exactly what you're doing. They don't worry about themselves or the life that they got. They want to sit here and study harder than you. Then they're gonna sit there and put together a team and try to go against your decision. I mean, fucked up life that we're living in now. What the hell is the world really coming to? Never understand anything they say. When they come to talking, because all they do is wrong. But they
Protein.
but they just don't know. They never be there, and they never do that. And all they do is talk about it, never feel about it.
Yeah, what's poppin' to all my people though? Everybody tuning in. What's up? Respect, support to all you guys out there. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing but love, respect to all the fans and all the real people tuning in around the world. Love, respect to all you guys. Appreciate you guys. Wouldn't be nothing without y'all. For real. That's on the real. And you live. You know what I'm saying? Live with Crew of the Peace. That's how much productions. And that's how we do it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get into one more track, and after that track, we're gonna end it. Cause we about, you know what I'm saying? We're about to end it. So if everybody has any questions, you know what I'm saying? Tune in.
I'm never gonna stop. I'm never gonna give it up. I gotta keep on doing what I'm doing. Moving forward, let them know that I'm trying to make to survive through these crazy times. I mean, it's a struggle. It's already hard. No matter what.
What's poppin' to everybody out there?
It's nothing but hate, and they never know it up. I guess I can tell you this.
All they do is say, all they do is say, all they do is say, no love. That's all I do is see hate. Criminal PU Live, Southside Music Productions, American Dream coming April 25th, 2026. Make sure you guys subscribe on YouTube page, the rapper Criminal P, Southside Music Records. Like, subscribe, let me know who you are. Comment on the video, comment on, message me if you got any questions about the album.
But you should do your research because you don't really know me like that.
Shout out to everybody out there. We're about to get into it right now. We're gonna get into one last track and then we're gonna end it. Here we go, baby. This track right here is to all you fans out there. I simply want to thank all y'all. True, then stay fake. Stay fake like most motherfuckers. Know about it, cause I never be about it. Right ways. Shout out to everybody out there. Come on. We're about to end this live. People tune in. You got any questions? Ask me right now. American Dream coming April 25th, 2026. Y'all tuning in. Tune in. Let's get this cracking.
I never gonna give up on my dream that I had last night. And I woke up and then I realized it really wasn't true. So I'm gonna make it come true. And I'm gonna thank all of this from the bottom of my heart because of what was due. Who the hell knows where I'll be at a couple of years from now. I'll probably be dead. I'll probably be locked away in the prison cells. Double 4 years. Fuck all of that. I'm gonna stay out here and do my own thing.
Come on, people, tune in. Let's go. We about to end it.
I simply want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank all of you. I want to thank all of you. I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank y'all. I really want to thank y'all. I really want to thank y'all. I really want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart.
Come on, people.
And I can tell you this, I woke my ass off. Then I ever give you 4 seconds to spend to you. I cannot never stop or ever give up on the side of what's in the you. As a baby growing up, and I always had a dream of doing music. It's my life, it's my passion, it's my soul. That's what I want to do when I get a stage to nothing but love.
Anyway, it's been nice chopping it up with you guys. We're about to end this live. So, I see you guys on the next one. Everybody out there, stay safe. Have a blessed night. And I'll see you guys probably